Minnie's hiccup trick. Mickey Mouse sighed. No matter what he did, he couldn't seem to stop hiccuping. "What's wrong, Mickey?" Minnie asked, peering over the fence. "Oh, hiya! Hic, Minnie," Mickey said. "It's these hiccups. They won't go away." "Oh my," said Minnie. She thought and thought. Then she had an idea. "Daisy and I were about to go for a walk, but maybe we can help you instead." "Help with what?" asked Daisy, walking up the garden path. "Mickey has the hiccups," said Minnie. "Hic," said Mickey. Leading Mickey into the kitchen, Minnie poured him a glass of water. "Close your eyes and take a tiny sip," she said. "Then count to 5 and take another sip." Mickey closed his eyes and took a sip. Then he counted to 5 and took another sip. "Did it work?" asked Daisy. "I think it did," said Mickey. "Thanks, Min. Hic." Said Minnie. "I think we need another idea." "It sounds like you need my tried and true hiccup cure," said Daisy. "This may seem silly, but just do what I do." Daisy twirled out Minnie's front door. Mickey did too. Daisy did 2 high kicks, tap danced down the front walk, spun around once, and took a bow. Mickey started to do the same, but halfway through, hic! "Maybe Donald knows a good cure for the hiccups," said Minnie. "Let's go ask him." The 3 friends set out to find Donald, but Minnie and Daisy were much faster than Mickey. When he arrived at Donald's house, they were waiting by the front door. "Where's Donald?" Mickey asked. Before Minnie could answer, Donald jumped out at Mickey. "Boo!" he shouted. "Ah!" Mickey cried. "Sorry, Mickey," Donald said. "Minnie said you have the hiccups. I thought maybe I could scare them away. Did it work?" But Mickey just hiccuped again. Mickey tried everything he could think of to get rid of his hiccups. He skipped rope and sang, My name is Mickey. Hic! I have a friend named Minnie. Hic! And I like mints. Hic! Hic! He stood on his head while saying the alphabet backwards. Hic! He held his nose and whistled a tune while hopping on one foot. Hic! Nothing worked. Mickey sat down in Donald's hammock and moped. He was starting to feel like he would never get rid of his hiccups. "It's no use," he told his friends. "I think they're, here to stay." Minnie led Daisy and Donald to the side of the yard. "I have one last idea," she told them. The 3 friends whispered to one another for several minutes. Finally, Donald rushed inside and returned with a large sack. "We've got it, Mickey," Donald said. "The cure for your hiccups is right here." Donald handed the sack to Minnie, who pulled out some blocks. Concentrating hard, she balanced 3 of them on her nose. Next, Daisy and Donald pulled 2 toy rings out of the sack. They hung one on each of Minnie's arms, and she began to twirl them. "Okay, Mickey," Minnie said. "It's your turn." Mickey wanted to try, but all he could do was laugh. "I'm sorry, Minnie," he said between giggles. "You just look so silly." When Mickey finally stopped laughing, he realized something. His hiccups were gone. His friends waited and waited, but not another hiccup came. "I did it!" shouted Minnie. "I cured Mickey." "You sure did, Minnie," said Mickey. "I guess laughter really is the best medicine for hiccups."